So here we are again at RE Performance.
For another depressing instalment of what you shouldn't buy.
Yes, but we haven't got an RS6 today.
No.
Let's just...
And it wasn't supposed to come off as negative as it was. I really do like them. No, it wasn't supposed to come off as negative as it was. It was supposed to highlight the fact that when they start to go wrong, they're an absolute beep to work on. But when they're right, they're brilliant. So now we've put that to bed.
Absolutely, I'd agree on that as well.
Can we talk about something else now? Carl loves RS6s. Hang on a minute. Whoa, wait. R8, Charger, R8. Mate, is this like the first time in... ever. A year we've not had an RS6 on around?
Suspicious.
Champagne!
So,
Right, so what have we got instead?
we've got a rather nice looking Lamborghini.
Slippy floor, LP550 manual. So, like, unicorns teardrops, or I don't know, what's rarer than that?
Rocking horse poo,
Yeah.
I believe, is another term.
Pretty much. So, it's stealth wrapped, isn't it? So it's gloss black. What they call it? It's not Titan Grigio's grey, isn't it? What they call it? Nero something. I'll text someone and ask them, but Lambo call them. It's black. It's a black Lambo, Davey. With,
Satin black.
Yeah, with stealth PPF on it or matte film. So, yeah, carbon everything. It's got nose lift. So it's an LP560, so a 5.2, same as in the R8s. I would say it's the same power output as a GT, stock GT.
Yep.
So LP550, saying it's 550 horsepower, LP560 being a 560, but obviously there's always the dash after.
Yeah.
So it's a 550-2, so rear wheel drive. 560-4 is a four wheel drive. So when you get to the Huracan, then you get the 610-4, LP610-4, or you get the 580-2. So a bit of geekery for you.
Yep.
Yes. So,
Let's get the light.
do you want me to hold your lighting?
Thank you.
So, the difference really is this has still got quite a lot of the stock trims. So if you compare a normal LP to this, and then say a Superleggera will be carbon door trims, bucket seats, carbon center console. So this has still got the niceties, or the less track-focused parts
Yep.
of the normal Gallardo.
And there's that manual knob.
It's got a giant shiny knob, bruv. Carbon steering wheel, Alcantara. I mean, you know, it's not a bad place to be. We've got to fix the seat because it goes forward but it doesn't go back, so it's normally limit switches in the back. We've got to fix a door LED because it's dropped out. Nothing major. What else we got to do? Steering lock. So Gallardos are a nightmare for steering lock. So you put the key in and you try to take the first click and you've got to jiggle it to get it to go, so the steering lock can wear a little bit. Do you still need this?
I'll take that. Thank you, sir.
Superleggera rear wing, glass hood. Obviously you don't have a carbon engine bay, but big carbon rear diffuser. Looks badass from the back. Does look good from the back because you get the vertical slats in the diffuser as well.
Yep.
So yeah, it does look good. I think it's a real nice choice as well, the stealth. I think it looks lovely. Or the matte paint.
Yeah, it works on this for sure.
Yeah, it does look good.
So one thing I have noticed is that the wheels.
So
They don't look very Lamborghini to me.
R8 V10 wheels.
Okay.
I don't know why. Whether he's kept the original ones and he's done these to have them black. Carbon fibre. Yeah, winter tyres, isn't it? Sorry, winter tyres. So R8 V10 wheels with carbon like lay over the top, look. Cool. So, looks cool. Why does that sound like a Superleggera tone in there? That's 5 litre, isn't it? Superleggera. It's where they all come. So, very, very much an R8. Oh, it's going to upset some people. What I mean there is when you get into the LPs,
Yep.
so we've done videos with JM on the differences between pre-LPs and R8s. You look at the brakes and the calipers, they're the same as on an R8. Rear arms or suspension arms, it's all the same. The difference, the option the R8 never got was nose lift. The R8 never had that because they never really had that aggressive front splitter like the Lamborghinis did. So Lambos have nose lift, R8s don't. Obviously the trims you touch and see a Lambo, but engine, that is an R8 V10 Gen 1 engine. The manual gearbox is the 156 box that we got a stack of them in a corner. You start taking them off, not quite as close as a Hurricane and a Gen 2, but they're close. So spark plugs, all the service items are the same. We can get them from the same place. Yeah, great little cars really. I like these. I'd still take a pre-LP Superleggera though. That's the best.
Yeah. That's the one that we had on the dyno in a previous video.
Yeah. Have we done a vid on that? I don't know if we've done a vid on that. But that noise, that 5 litre is something else. Sound like F1 engines. But
well, talking of which, we might as well start it up and have a listen.
Yes. Keys are in it, I think. Exhaust on.
That explains it.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to say over there. I think better looking than a Hurricane. Yeah. When you look at it from back here, like how wide it looks. I like it. It's a lot more positive than the last video.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, lovely job, bud. I think we've got a couple more bits to film.
Yeah, what should we do next?
I don't know. We've probably cut there.
Yeah. All right. Next one will be a good one.
See you later, bud.
See you later.